Alright, y'all, we about to stuff some of these mushrooms with crab meat. Let's go. Let's go ahead over to the stove now. Alright, y'all, half a stick of butter in the pot. 1 small yellow onion. 2 stalks of celery. Spin that with a half a green bell pepper. 2 spoons of minced garlic. 2 tablespoons of that W sauce. Go ahead on and saute that down, y'all. Now you're going to take your bread that you done toasted or some stale bread. It don't matter, either one. Go with it up in your pot. Now go with some chicken broth, y'all. We want it to like a mushy consistency. Let me see how much it takes. I'm going to let you know. Alright, y'all, check out that consistency right there. It took me about 1.5 cups of chicken broth. That's what you're looking for. Now I go in there with 8 ounces of fresh crab meat, y'all. I go with 1/2 cup of green onion. 2 tablespoons, y'all, my seasoning. Go with about that much dry thyme, y'all. Now we're going up in there, y'all, 1/2 cup Parmesan cheese. 1/4 cup of Italian breadcrumbs. Alright, y'all, this is what you're looking for. So if you need to thinning it out, you can add more chicken broth. If you want to thicken it up, go ahead up in there with a little bit more cheese. Now go ahead and take that stuffing and put it right on top of the mushrooms. If you can find some bigger ones, that'd even be better. This is what I had though. Now go ahead and put a little bit of them breadcrumbs right on the top, y'all. I took the rest, y'all, and I went with a casserole dish. Go ahead on with them Italian crumbs on that too. Now for the mushrooms, y'all, I'm putting some butter at the bottom of the pan. But if you got the spray butter, definitely go ahead on and spray all your mushrooms. Same thing in here, this casserole. I'm gonna put a little butter on the top of that too. Alright, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and throw this in the oven, preheated 350 degrees, 20 minutes. Alright, y'all, go ahead on and squeeze a lemon on top of it. Check that out.